आज बी यू विद श्रद्धा एस पे हमारी बहुत ही प्यारी और स्पेशल गेस्ट है स्वाति मुकुंद, जो एक एथलीट है, उम्दा सिंगर है और उनका प्यार जो अपने इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल एथनिक वेयर स्पेशली साड़ीज़ के लिए है, वो उनके हर एक कंटेंट में झलकता है। उनकी मधुर आवाज़ से उन्होंने बहुत प्यारे गीत गाए हैं और एट द सेम टाइम वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर करती है हम लेडीज़ लोगों को। सो लेट्स dwell into her life journey and welcome Swati Mukund. Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much. So good to be back here in this lovely studio.
Pleasure to have you here. And this is our studio.
Always impressed and spellbound by the beautiful sarees you curate and bring to all of us.
Thank you.
I love it. I love that I'm twinning with your
Yes, backdrop. Welcome to Be You with Shraddha S.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me over.
And what a pleasure to have you here with us. And the only thing is that you have to be you.
Yes.
Be yourself. And
Perfect.
let's begin the conversation. I'm sure it's going to be very interesting, entertaining, and insightful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to talk to you and meet you. And, I seek so much inspiration from you and all that, you do every day. And
Likewise.
it's so lovely to sit here and have a chat with you.
Yes, it's a pleasure and I'm so looking forward.
Same here.
स्वाति, मुझे बताइए, मेरे ख्याल से आपका जो सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस है, आई थिंक वो मोर और लेस इट्स अबाउट फिटनेस। आपकी फिटनेस जर्नी जो मेरे ख्याल से लॉकडाउन में एक बहुत ज़्यादा उसको एक रिकग्नाइजेशन मिली, बट आपकी फिटनेस जर्नी के बारे में बताइए।
एक्चुअली मेरी फिटनेस जर्नी की शुरुआत 2015 में हुई थी एंड आई मीन अंटिल देन थोड़ा बहुत वॉकिंग कर लिया, वो सब तो एनीवे इट वाज गोइंग ऑन एंड बट मुझे जिम करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था। मतलब बहुत सारे जिम्स को मैंने पैसे डोनेट करके फिर वापस कभी गई नहीं। ऐसा बहुत हुआ है।
Yeah.
बट 2015 में एंड 2013 आई बिकेम अ मदर एंड उसके बाद तो टाइम निकालना और मुश्किल हो जाता है
Right.
फॉर मोस्ट women.
Right.
So, I'm part of Pinkathon, which is India's largest women's run.
Right.
And as part of that, क्या हुआ is I volunteered to walk with a visually impaired runner.
Oh.
तो हर साल हम लोग के विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड रनर्स के कैटेगरी होते हैं एंड वहाँ पर एक जो मेरे पार्टनर थी, उन्होंने 10 किलोमीटर्स रन किया। अभी दिस पार्टिसिपेंट, उनको शी इज टोटली विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड, उनको कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता, बट शी वॉज वर्किंग विद द सेल्स टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट एंड वो हिमालयज में ट्रेकिंग करती है, स्विम करती है,
Oh my God.
रोज वॉकिंग करती है एंड वो एक कुक भी है जो ऐसे प्रोफेशनल शेफ वाले वीडियोस जो पोस्ट करती है।
How
And
interesting.
उनके साथ जब मैंने 10 किलोमीटर्स वॉक किया, मुझे इतना मजा आया एंड 10 किलोमीटर्स कंप्लीट किया हमने। आई डोंट नो अबाउट हर, मैं तो बहुत रोई क्योंकि मुझे इतना आई वाज सो इंस्पायर्ड कि छोटी छोटी चीजें जो हम लोग टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड करके
Right.
कर लेते हैं कि अरे यार आज टैक्सी टाइम पे नहीं आया, या आज घर पे ये इश्यू हो गया, या
आज बोर हो रहा है,
हाँ,
मूड नहीं
सो
है।
इतने सारे छोटे छोटे जो चीज है एंड उनके साथ वॉक करते वक्त मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैडम यहाँ पे स्पीड ब्रेकर है, आप आराम से चलो, यहाँ पे 2 स्टेप है, आप आराम से ध्यान दे के चलिए। तो इतनी बेसिक चीजें हमको एंड माइंड दे कैरी ऑन विद देयर एवरीडे लाइफ ब्यूटिफुली। ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करना, एंड एवरी सिंगल स्फीयर ऑफ लाइफ दे आर डूइंग सो वेल। तो उनके साथ वॉक करके मुझे बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिला कि अगर ये अपने लिए वक्त निकाल सकते हैं अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से,
Absolutely.
तो फिर मैं किस चीज की कंप्लेन कर रही हूँ।
Right.
तो एंड one thing which again when I met Milind Soban, he told me that for mothers ये mom guilt होना बहुत कॉमन है कि अरे अगर मैं 30
बच्चे को
मिनट्स
छोड़ के
बच्चे
आई।
को छोड़ के मैं जाऊंगी, एंड मेनी अ टाइम्स मैंने नोटिस किया है कि ये गिल्ट फैमिली ही देती है कि
Absolutely.
बच्चे को छोड़ के ऐसे कैसे बाहर चली गई एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। एंड
Absolutely.
उनसे बात करके मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला एंड उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि एवरी सिंगल डे 30 मिनट्स अपने आप के लिए किसी ने अगर निकाल दिया तो
हम्म।
इट्स नॉट अ क्राइम.
या और अगर आप फिट हो तो आप अपनी ड्यूटीज एज अ मदर
एग्जैक्टली.
या एनी रोल आप बेटर निभा पाओगे।
एब्सोल्युटली. एंड आई हैव रियलाइज कि इतने सालों में, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 10 years नाउ सिंस आई स्टार्टेड माय फिटनेस जर्नी, एंड I've seen that my daughter respects me even more. And I am a better example for her
राइट
by showing her how it is done
राइट।
rather than telling her, you should take time out for yourself. She's actually seeing how I take time out for myself.
वो बोलते हैं
And
ना कि बच्चे आपका सुनते नहीं है,
correct,
आपको देखकर सीखते हैं।
absolutely.
आई
So
थिंक दैट्स ट्रू।
that is my biggest inspiration. And of course, lockdown में when we realize कि अपने पास जाने को कुछ है नहीं, करने को कुछ और है
राइट।
नहीं, तो it was very peaceful actually. I mean, gyms I know they were shut, but after some time, running में anyway आप socially distanced हो,
राइट।
क्योंकि आप groups में नहीं run करती मैं, and घर पे workout वगैरह कर लिया, and I realized कि ये जो लॉकडाउन का पूरा पीरियड था, instead of becoming frustrated and irritated with whatever was happening,
राइट
it helped me stay sane.
राइट।
So मेरे mental health के लिए exercise is even more important for than my fitness health. ये realization lockdown में मुझे समझ में आया.
Right, right, right. I think yes, they're correlated. Mental and physical
Totally,
health are
totally.
totally correlated. जिम मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अभी रेगुलर नहीं हूँ, बट यस योगा इज़ बीन ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ।
Correct, correct.
बट अभी आपसे बात करने के बाद मुझे अभी और भी इंस्पिरेशन मिली है, एंड आई एम सून गोइंग टू बी रेगुलर
No,
एज यू
actually,
सेड।
many people, when they ask me also कि should I run, I tell them you don't need to run. You should, एक
वॉक
ऐसा
एट
फॉर्म ऑफ
लीस्ट।
मूवमेंट आप चूज करो जो आपको पसंद आए, जो आप रेगुलर कर सकते हो. लाइक
राइट।
किसी के लिए, आई मीन, नाउ आई अटेंडेड दिस टॉक बाय दिस 90-year-old रिसर्चर,
हम्म।
एंड टॉक खत्म हो जाने के बाद ग्रुप फोटो में शी सैट ऑन द फ्लोर.
वाओ।
तो फॉर मी दैट इज फिटनेस कि एट 90 शी इज एबल टू सिट ऑन द फ्लोर एंड गेट अप विदाउट सपोर्ट. तो
हम्म।
दैट इज ट्रू फिटनेस कि
ट्रू।
आप अपना एवरीडे डेली लेवल एक्टिविटीज कैसे इंडिपेंडेंटली कैरी आउट कर
एफर्टलेसली कर
सकते हो,
सकते हो,
दैट इज
यस।
ट्रू फिटनेस.
हम्म।
सो दैट इज व्हाट इज इंस्पायरिंग फॉर मी.
Right, right. I think after certain age or time, health is the most important thing
टोटली.
that you could call as luxury, because अगर वो है तो आप सब कुछ enjoy कर सकते हो,
करेक्ट,
travel कर सकते हो, and then obviously whatever
करेक्ट.
your pending bucket list you can tick off if you are good with your
या
health.
एंड इन ऑल लाइकलीहुड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट कि फिटनेस एक ऐसा चीज है जो आपका है. लाइक एजुकेशन एंड फिटनेस,
Hmm.
नोबडी कैन स्नैच इट अवे फ्रॉम यू.
Right.
लाइक आपका है तो आपका बन के रहेगा. एंड
Hmm.
ऑफ कोर्स द एफर्ट इज ऑन एन एवरीडे बेसिस,
Right.
but this is truly something that you can call your own.
Right.
That is what
Right.
I've always
Right.
loved about it.
Yeah, yeah. That becomes your identity. That shows how determined you are, how dedicated you are towards, achieving, uh, which is, ये आपको instant result नहीं दिखाता है.
Correct.
But अगर आपको वहाँ पे आप consistent रहोगे, then you know what it is and why you're doing it.
Totally. And
Otherwise, it's a boring, mundane task,
yeah,
every day.
no, it's a journey. It's like it's not a destination, because
Right.
I have myself made that mistake in the past wherein I've said कि नहीं, I want to lose so many kilos.
Hmm.
But then I've realized कि when you keep it, जब आप weight loss तक सीमित रखते हैं तो फिर आपका
एक बार
ideal
goal,
weight
हाँ.
आ जाएगा ना, आप छोड़ देते हो.
Exactly.
That's not the purpose. The purpose is to do it every single day,
Every
So that is what is important.
राइट। सो स्वाति, आप जो बहुत ज्यादा लेडीज या वर्ल्ड वाइड मैंने देखा है कि वेट लॉस करना ये एक इतना बड़ा बिजनेस हो चुका है, ये एक इतना बड़ा मेंटल डिसीज मैं बोल सकती हूँ हो चुका है। तो प्लीज आप इसके बारे में बात करिए कि लेडीज का पहले होता है यार मुझे वेट लूज करना है, देख मेरा इतना पुट ऑन हो गया, या ये करना है। मतलब वेट लॉस हेल्दी होना है कि कोई नहीं बोलता आई
Correct.
वांट टू बिकम हेल्दियर,
Correct.
ये नहीं बोलता है मुझे वेट लॉस करना है, ये बोलता है। तो आई जस्ट वांट यू टू टॉक अबाउट दिस।
No, I think it is also largely, अपना conditioning.
राइट।
कि हम लोग, the people we see around us and what kind of conversations
द
they have.
सोसाइटी, या
So even मुझे अगर अगर मेरा मतलब शायद यही है कि मुझे हेल्दी होना है, बट हम लोग हेल्थ और वेट लॉस को हम इक्वेट करते हैं,
Right.
ये एंड ये सालों से चलता आ रहा है। आई थिंक इट इज जस्ट समथिंग जो इनग्रेन हो चुका है सोसाइटी में, एंड किसी को दे डोंट वांट टू थिंक डिफरेंटली। आई फील नाउ at least there is some awareness with people saying that health is something that you need to take care of,
Right. Right.
मुझे कितने लोगों ने पूछा है कि अरे तू तो फिट है, तो क्यों जिम जाती है? अरे मैं आई एम फिट बिकॉज आई गो टू द जिम,
Right.
एंड
Right.
आई फील कि स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन, इतने सालों से एटलीस्ट अर्लियर दे यूज्ड टू से कि घर काम कर लो तो फिटनेस की
Daily
जरूरत
chores
नहीं
से ही हो
है, वो
जाता
ही
है।
है। बट डेली लेवल एक्टिविटीज करने के लिए स्ट्रेंथ एक्सरसाइज से आता है।
And also the times have changed.
ये
Earlier time में जैसे कि grains भी वो
एग्जैक्टली,
they used to grind on a grinder like
एग्जैक्टली,
a stone grinder.
एग्जैक्टली,
तो वो तो अभी possible है नहीं, तो वो you can't compare with those old times कि
एग्जैक्टली,
house
एंड वी आर
chores.
नॉट लीडिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ effort filled life anymore.
Right.
It's like considerably our effort levels have reduced, which is great.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
how it should
That
be, because
that
you need
conveniences
exactly.
we have that now.
But then we need to take advantage of that.
Right. And make
हम
use of
लोग
that time.
एग्जैक्टली एक मशीन तो लेके रख लिया घर पे, बट वो जो टाइम बच गया उससे मैं अपने लिए कुछ अगर बेनिफिशियल करूं, दैट इज
Right.
व्हाट इज ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस टू मी एट दैट पॉइंट। सो
Right.
ऑल्सो आई फील इन अ लार्ज वे देर आर मेनी पीपल जो अभी भी इस बात का फायदा उठा रहे हैं कि एक स्पेशली लेडीज को वेट लॉस का अगर हम लोग मोटिवेशन चिपका देंगे तो हमारा बिजनेस चलेगा।
Right.
तो इंस्टाग्राम फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पीपल जो अपना बायो में डाल देंगे कि ओके 80 to 50 kilos, आस्क मी हाउ, एंड उनका एक एक 12 weeks 6 months का एक मॉड्यूल रहता है जो वो आपको दे देते हैं। बट माई पॉइंट इज टू थिंग्स,
Hmm.
कि जो भी एक्सपर्ट्स हैं
Hmm.
इंस्टाग्राम में,
Hmm.
क्या ये जेन्युइनली एजुकेटेड है, क्वालिफाइड है आपको ये एडवाइस देने के लिए? ये डिस्क्रिशन हमें यूज करना है,
Right. Right.
बिकॉज एज समबडी जो सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव है या सोशल मीडिया पे कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते हैं, आई थिंक द ओनस इज ऑन बोथ,
Yes.
कि दैट आई speak about things responsibly, but at the same time
Exactly.
a person looking at it is using his or her discretion, because ultimately ओके probably it worked for somebody. लाइक मुझे किसी ने पूछ लिया कि स्वाति तेरा डाइट प्लान दे दे, मैं वही फॉलो करूंगी, शायद किसी और के लिए नहीं वर्क
नहीं
करेगा,
वर्क करेगा।
क्योंकि माय गोल्स आर डिफरेंट, माय बॉडी इज डिफरेंट,
राइट,
वी
एक्चुअली अभी
डोंट
जो तुमने बोला स्वाति, सोशल मीडिया पे लोग इतनी अथॉरिटी के साथ जो ज्ञान दे रहे हैं, यू नो, एंड दे आर सो कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी एट द
या
टाइम्स कि आप, इट्स कंफ्यूजिंग।
या
अगर आप में थोड़ी सी अवेयरनेस है और आप माइंडफुली कंडक्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको समझ आएगा।
करेक्ट,
बट जो लोग हैं जो मानते कि नहीं ये बोल रहे स्क्रीन पर
करेक्ट,
आकर तो सही होगा, वो वहां पे गड़बड़ हो जाती है।
नहीं प्रॉब्लम वही पे, आई मीन एक दिन एक इंसान बोलेगा नहीं ओट्स खाओ बहुत अच्छा है, दूसरा दिन वही इंसान आके बोलेगा नहीं ओट्स खाओगे तो तुम मर जाओगे। मतलब
एग्जैक्टली।
वो जो बोल रहा है वो क्या क्रेडिबिलिटी के साथ बोल रहा है और बोल रही है? आई मीन इट्स दैट इज माय प्रॉब्लम कि,
या या
एंड it's also like this is somebody wrote to me on Instagram 3-4 months back, and उनको रनिंग के बारे में कुछ मुझे पूछना था, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि देखो मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, मैं क्वालिफाइड नहीं हूँ, मैं आई एम अ रनर, बट मुझे खुद ट्रेनर्स की और कोचेस की जरूरत पड़ती है, तो मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से जो है मैं आपको बताऊंगी, बट आई
राइट
विल नॉट टेल यू एनीथिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द टेक्निकल पार्ट।
राइट
And so she went on to ask me that she was expecting her first child, if she can run and all of that, and I told her that, ma'am, you're not supposed to be asking that to me.
राइट
You should be asking your doctor, because I I mean
राइट
I don't know, I'm not a medical practitioner, and even
राइट
if I was, I'm not taking care of you in that sense, so I don't know. And
एग्जैक्टली
then and I told her ki don't ask people on social media for advice.
एग्जैक्टली।
I mean, it was very alarming for me. And then,
इट्स स्कैरी।
ऐसे, but उन्होंने रनिंग का पूछ लिया, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि but just out of curiosity, have you ever run before? So she said no. I said, then I said,
राइट
as per common sense,
राइट
pregnancy is not the time you start something new. But I was so alarmed by this whole question that I
राइट
was like, and I've realized कि इसीलिए इतने सारे एक्सपर्ट्स इंस्टाग्राम पे दुकान खोल के बैठे हैं, बिकॉज़
राइट।
लोग एडवाइस दे रहे हैं एंड पीपल आर नॉट चेकिंग कि इनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी है,
है या नहीं है,
इनका क्या
आर दे
क्वालिफिकेशन है,
ऑथराइज्ड,
एंड है तो ये लोग
ऑन
यू
व्हाट
नो
बेसिस?
ऑन व्हाट बेसिस आर दे टेलिंग यू,
राइट,
बिकॉज़ क्लियरली वन एडवाइस विल नॉट वर्क फॉर ऑल.
राइट। आई थिंक ये एक जो अभी आपने डिस्कस किया स्वाति, कि people look up to you in such a way
या
when you are like an influencer or a content creator. तो certain reach के बाद I think they look up to you,
करेक्ट
and whatever you are doing, whatever you are saying, or whatever you want to show on screen or
करेक्ट
on social
करेक्ट
media, they take it literally, as in, you know, that's the only thing these people are doing.
या
So, yes, of course, when there are certain people who are just trying to portray something on social media which they are not, or they just want to have more likes or followers and they are creating content just to attract more traction or
यस
whatever. So, मुझे कहीं पे लगता है एक जो कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं उनको एक रियलिटी चेक होना जरूरी है कि this is what they want to show or portray.
करेक्ट.
Not everybody who is showing or portraying is, is actual their life or the situation. So what do you have to say on this?
No, it's just I mean, I think user discretion is always number one.
Hmm.
कि बचपन से हमको पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि किसी का रैंडमली बिलीव मत करो, अपना इंटेलिजेंस लगाओ.
Hmm. Hmm.
यू नो दैट इज समथिंग आई थिंक विच इज मैंडेटरी, या सोशल मीडिया हो, रियल लाइफ हो, या if it is the place where you study, the place where you work, every single place, I think, to understand, like, for example, when I review a new shoe that has come in the market for running,
Hmm.
at the end I mention that, but this shoe is helping me with a skill I already have.
Right. Which is so
This shoe
important.
has not made me a runner.
Right.
Like, if I'm going to use a particular brand because an elite sports person has used it, that shoe is incidental. उनको मतलब that skill has been there because they've been working on it ever
Right.
since they are,
Right. Right.
जब से होश संभाला तब से वो लोग खेल रहे हैं,
Obviously.
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं.
So.
तो to tell that यही प्रोडक्ट की वजह से वो लोग, that is, I mean, I feel कि as a user, if I believe that blindly, it is my mistake.
Yeah.
But that is what it is. Like, if you see now, most of the products which are sold by A-list celebrities, I mean, you tell me one product which they are actually using.
Exactly. Yeah. So same happening, like, the social media pe jo influencers hai, the
Yeah.
moment they are getting paid for something, they're
Correct.
without using them or without having their personal
Correct.
experience with the product,
Correct.
they are recommending it.
Correct.
So ये एक बात हो गई. और एक दूसरा कि जैसे, we are always nicely dressed up on a social media. We want to portray ourselves
Correct.
in a certain way. However, behind the scene or behind the screen, we are just like normal people.
Yeah.
Like, maybe we are not posting
Correct.
it on. So,
In fact, in 2023, my first post, why I remember this is because I did this out of, complete, what do I say? मेरे को इतनी खुशी मिली वो पोस्ट करके. My first post was in a nightie. I said, this is my favorite garment.
yeah.
Nothing on planet Earth. I mean, I love
That
saris,
comfort.
yes, but
Yeah, but घर में
then
होता
my
है, have to be in that
exactly.
comfort
So it is
level.
my favorite garment, and it gives me and अगर हम लोग बिलीव करने वाले हैं कि ये है कि ये साड़ी में है तो हमेशा साड़ी में ही रहती है. Okay, fair enough.
You
Because
choose to have more often.
which is partially true because I also teach. So, like, wearing saris to work is something which is very common for me. So I mean, सुबह एक साड़ी पहन लिया तो evening को you're in the same sari, which is true. But then ultimately I come back to
Right.
घर के कपड़े.
Right.
But that is what we need to be mindful about. That
Right.
stay true to what you are. Like, in my journey, I have tried my best, or like, I don't endorse products, or I don't talk about things that I don't personally use. I feel it's unfair, and I feel that as people on social media, we are responsible for what we talk about. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
the number of gaming apps and betting apps that have written to me to promote, it's
Hmm.
just, पहले तो मुझे वो देख के लगा कि अरे इतने सारे एप्स बेटिंग और गेमिंग के लिए हैं,
Hmm.
ये जो,
Hmm.
बट एंड उनको हमेशा दे विल टेल मी नहीं कि मैम आप कर लो एंड दिस एंड दैट, आई टेल देम कि नहीं, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आई
Right.
सेड 16 and 18-year-olds will be spending their parents money on this,
Yeah.
but I mean I'm not going to be going and stopping people कि नहीं आप मत करो, but
This is your
my
personal,
responsibility
yeah,
and my decision is something that I can stand by.
of course.
So I feel it's very important that we talk about what is you know um, true to ourselves.
Right.
And even as users, uh, अगर किसी का पोस्ट देख के अगर हमको लगता है कि नहीं ये लोग ऐसे ही हैं, किसी के ट्रैवल अपडेट्स देख के लगा कि नहीं बस ये लोग परमानेंटली इतना हैप्पी हैं और वो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, तो दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. इट्स लाइक
Yeah. Yeah.
people share snippets of their life on
Yes.
social media. That is
Right.
not their entire being.
Entire being. True. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is what I always feel, that consume mindfully and uh, consume it with the understanding that you are sharing and you are consuming a part of people's lives.
Hmm.
Um,
Right.
yeah.
So yeah, it has to be, you know, very mindfully you have to
Yeah.
do all this.
And stay respectful. That is something कि
That's
किसी
very
का कुछ
important.
ऐसा कंटेंट देख लिया जो तुमको देख के लगता है कि नहीं शायद उनकी लाइफ मेरी लाइफ से बेटर है.
Hmm.
While it is not entirely wrong कि किसी को ऐसा लग सकता है, but then again that is not true. They are
Hmm.
not sharing difficult aspects of their life.
Hmm.
They are only putting out the happier content probably because they do not want to show their vulnerable side on social media.
Right.
But that doesn't mean they are not having any difficulties.
Right.
So yeah, I think it's just like, sometimes people say ki be kind, you don't know what the other person is going through. But my thing is, you can be kind even without knowing what they're going
Exactly.
through. You don't need to know that they're struggling to be kind to them. You can be kind
Yeah,
anyway.
otherwise also,
Yeah,
anyway also you
yeah.
can be kind.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. एक आपके जो सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ पोस्ट होते हैं मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जो लगते हैं, जैसे आप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सोशल इश्यूज होते हैं जो कोई नहीं रेज करता है.
Hmm.
फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई रिमेम्बर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्लाइट में blocking your seat.
Yeah.
And it was so true. I mean, and nobody talks about it. But apart from that, I think I recently remember you raised a call, like, those marketing calls jo aate
Yeah.
rehte hain. So, how, like, I just want to talk on that. Ki
No.
it's really important that you are bringing it up, that it's so annoying and
Yeah.
irritating
Yeah.
that, you're sitting in the middle of a meeting
Yeah.
or you're doing something very important. And at the same time, at times you have a thought कि maybe important
Correct.
call हो सकता है.
Correct.
But then आपको बैंक लोन चाहिए, आपको प्रॉपर्टी खरीदनी है, and
Exactly.
all of it. So I
No,
really
this
like
is
the
nowadays it's
way you're
scary
bringing
because
it up.
if you put it on do not disturb, they call from other numbers.
Yes.
And these numbers are very realistic.
Yeah.
तो अभी because आप आपका number is with in my case it's with different agencies, for example. It's with different brands, it's with different my students have my number.
Hmm.
तो हर फोन आंसर करना पड़ता है because you don't know who is calling, right?
Right,
And especially
exactly.
when you have
A kid.
a kid and your kid is not at home, you answer every unknown number.
Right, right.
तो it is it's just weird. Actually I don't apply any thought. अगर ऐसा कुछ फोन आ गया या something irritates me, I just open the front camera and I post it because for me whenever I'm irritated about something,
Yeah.
if I talk about it or if I write,
You release it.
it releases it's like catharsis for me.
Yeah.
It's like something I don't know. I wrote about when I was in school, and many people in my age group also, they had this height and weight checking used to be a sarvajanik affair.
Okay.
School में वो weighing scale used to be next to the teacher's table, and एक one of the walls में ऐसा height measure करेंगे and calendar में लिखने के लिए. Now I understand height and weight is important because in government schools they give midday meals, so they want to know कि child
Just to
का
keep a track
development is
of it,
age
yeah.
appropriate. So I was not from a government school, but height and weight calendar में check करने के time And I have been a heavy kid all through my school life. Uh, it used to be so weird that टीचर के टेबल के सामने वेइंग स्केल होता था एंड ईच स्टूडेंट हैज टू स्टेप ऑन इट एंड द टीचर विल अनाउंस द वेट एंड राइट इट। भाई अनाउंस किए बिना भी तुम वेट लिख सकते हो ना, दिखाई दे रहा है तुमको, और तुमको अगर मालूम है कि एक बच्चा इनसिक्योर है या शाई है या ऑलरेडी ट्रबल्ड है बाय द फैक्ट दैट दूसरे उसको चिढ़ा रहे हैं, तो व्हाई वुड यू अनाउंस इट व्हाइल यू राइट? एंड देन इट यूज्ड टू बी अ जोक, कि अरे इसका वजन एंड दिस एंड दैट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड like that's what without sounding boastful, sorry, my all my school life I have won a lot of prizes for singing and for elocution and for recitation and essay writing, shloka competition, ऐसे बहुत सारे prizes, but वो सब एक तरफ, दूसरी तरफ अरे बट ये क्या है, ये तो मोटी है, this has been so which is why I very happily say I do not have any friends from my school. All my friends that I have are all friends from my adult life, and which I'm very happy about, because I mean in school and college naturally you do not have a choice, you are with them तो दोस्ती हो जाती है, and of course there are many people who have beautiful school friendships,
Yeah.
but in my case it was never the case because and you might think that years of running and staying fit has erased that memory. It has not. When it happened is when I wrote about it.
Okay.
I wrote about it because I was teaching in class and I was talking, when I teach, I don't limit it to textbook knowledge. क्योंकि आज के ज़माने में textbooks तो बच्चे भी खुद ही पढ़ सकते हैं ना, उसमें मेरी ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I try to make it very real life by sharing actual company examples, by sharing actual stories, because I teach marketing, I teach communication. So, the world is an example for you.
Right.
So, तो ऐसी बात हो रही थी उस बारे में, and I was telling them, in communication about accents and all of that. And I said कि we feel very happy when a foreigner speaks Hindi, when a foreigner speaks broken English. We like it. I said, an Indian speaks broken English means immediately we start making fun of them. I said, why?
So look down on them.
Yeah, I'm like, if this is cute, why is this not cute?
Right.
And I feel कि बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे हैं, अभी कोई एक रीजनल न्यूज़ चैनल पे एंकर है या एक रीजनल रेडियो स्टेशन पे रेडियो जॉकी है, तो उनको वो लैंग्वेज बराबर बोलने के लिए होना चाहिए. दैट इज द ओनली रिक्वायरमेंट. व्हाई आर वी इक्वेटिंग सक्सेस विद इंग्लिश?
राइट. वो एक बहुत बड़ा मेजर इशू है अपने
तो
कंट्री में. आई
नेचुरली
फील
आई अंडरस्टैंड कि हम लोग भी कॉमनैलिटी के लिए बोल देते हैं, बट don't equate it with success or
Yeah.
don't equate it with the kind of
Education or
education.
whatever.
Exactly. तो I was talking about that and बात करते करते ये टॉपिक पे हम लोग आ गए, एंड देन दे सेड कि नहीं, हमारे स्कूल में भी ये होता था. ऐसे कि क्यों तुम लोग ऐसा एक सिस्टम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो जिससे बच्चे कॉन्स्टेंटली एम्बैरस हो रहे हैं ओवर द इयर्स. वी वेट और हाइट बच्चे घर से भी लिख के लेके आ सकते हैं ना, कैलेंडर में इतना तो करेंगे ही, आप बोलो बच्चे को. तो व्हेन आई रोट अबाउट इट, it finally I got that much needed catharsis that I wanted.
Right.
So that's the reason behind all these videos. So when I talk about it or when I write about it, it gives me immediate and then of course people also share their experiences and they tell नहीं नहीं कि हम लोग भी उतने ही पीड़ित हैं जितने आप हो.
Right.
तो you realize कि there's so much happening.
Right. अभी जैसे आपने बताया about English, I have studied in Marathi school, and then I got married and came here in Mumbai. So obviously, I am not from a convent school. I also struggle to speak Hindi. तो बहुत जब मैं बच्चों को स्कूल में लेके जाती थी, यहाँ के फ्रेंड्स हो गए थे, उनकी मदर्स जो हो गई थी, मैंने खुद इतना फेस किया है ये कि अगर फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश आप नहीं बोल रहे हो, द वे दे विल मेक फन ऑफ यू,
Correct.
द वे दे विल लुक डाउन ऑन यू कि अरे इसको तो इंग्लिश
Correct.
ढंग से या
Correct.
फ्लुएंटली बोलने नहीं आती है, या कोई वर्ड ये हो गया या कोई प्रोनाउंसिएशन गलत हो
Right.
गया. तो ये एक अपनी सोसाइटी में मुझे लगता है कि दे फील कि अगर आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो, अगर आप ब्रांड्स कैरी कर रहे हो, then you are somewhere, like you are
Yeah.
that level. अगर आप ये नहीं कर रहे हो, then you don't stand anywhere. तो वो जो एक individuality आपका एज अ पर्सन आप क्या हो वो काउंट नहीं होता है ये। और ये अपनी अनफॉर्चुनेटली अपनी सोसाइटी में बहुत ज़्यादा
करेक्ट,
वो ग्रो हो रहा है। एंड आई थिंक ऑन सोशल मीडिया द वे थिंग्स आर ग्रोइंग एंड हैपनिंग, मुझे लग रहा है उसको और ज़्यादा बढ़ावा मिल रहा है इन
राइट।
सारी चीज़ों को।
सोफिस्टिकेटेडली पैकेज करके वही चीज़ कर रहे हैं जो लोग सोशल मीडिया के बिना
एग्जैक्टली
कर रहे थे।
एग्जैक्टली हाँ।
इट्स जस्ट आई फील समवेयर पीपल आर लूजिंग द प्लॉट।
या
मैं कभी वही बोलती हूँ ना, ये मत कहो कि छोटी छोटी चीजें कि
हम्म
भी किसी के बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं,
हम्म
अच्छा ओ ओके दैट पर्सन,
हम्म
अच्छा दैट शॉर्ट गए, दैट
हम्म
फैट गए, इतना कॉन्वर्सेशनली, इतना स्मूथली पीपल टॉक
हम्म
कि जैसे आई एम लाइक उसके अलावा भी उसकी कोई आइडेंटिटी है,
राइट।
यू नो
या
शायद कन्वीनियंस के लिए आप बोल रहे हो ऐसा, बट क्या ये सही है?
नेचुरली बहुत नेचुरली
करेक्ट,
इजीली आ
करेक्ट,
जाता है।
करेक्ट, व्हिच इज़ आई थिंक आई फील दैट कितना कुछ चेंज हो गया है, बट ये जो एटीट्यूड है, पीपल शुड रियली चेंज दैट एस्पेक्ट अबाउट देम, बिकॉज़
राइट
इंग्लिश and carrying branded products is not the measure to somebody's
राइट
success.
राइट राइट।
It is just yeah.
यू ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड अबाउट द इन अ वे मेंटल ट्रॉमा कि आपको बचपन में बुली किया गया वेट के ऊपर से। एंड यू जस्ट सेड कि ये अभी तक मेरे दिमाग में है
Hmm.
अंटिल आई रोट इट, और मे बी लिखने के बाद एक हल्का फील होता है, बट यू स्टिल रिमेंबर
Correct,
दोज ट्रॉमास।
correct.
सो आई टोटली अग्री, जो ट्रॉमास आपके चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमास होते हैं या कोई भी वाइल यू आर ग्रोइंग, वाइल यू आर कंडक्टिंग योर लाइफ, ये जो ट्रॉमास अपने ऊपर होते हैं उसको रिलीज करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। नाउ यू chose to write it and
Yeah.
release it in a way.
No, but fortunately for me, I was not like uh,
Affected.
affected, or I wouldn't call it trauma in my case,
हाँ,
because घर पे I had a very strong
support.
support, and my anchor is my family.
Hmm.
तो बचपन से जब भी कोई ऐसा बुली करता था या ऐसे कुछ बोल देता था,
Hmm.
घर पे दे यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल कि अगर कोई इंसान गलत बात कर रहा है, दैट शोज द डिप्रेविटी ऑफ देयर माइंड,
Right.
इट इज नॉट ऑन यू।
Right.
आई मीन अगर कोई मजाक उड़ा रहा है या कोई कुछ गलत
Hmm.
बोल रहा है,
Hmm.
इट
Hmm.
जस्ट शोज दैट दे आर नॉट nicer people that you need to interact with.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
stay away.
Right.
And always we've grown up believing कि कुछ अच्छा बोलने को नहीं है, चुप रहो.
Right.
It's okay to keep quiet
Absolutely.
than say something that is hurtful.
Right.
So, so I was not affected by it in that sense. So
Right.
it did not trouble me, or it did not affect me to, interact with
Because
people,
you
or
had.
because I had that support. But there are many people who haven't had that kind of a, support at home or from people they look up to.
Right.
So that is something I think it makes it even more difficult, because कि कहीं उनको लगता है कि नहीं तो जाएं तो कहाँ,
Hmm.
किससे बात करें, किसको बोल के मन हल्का करें, और छोटी सी चीज
Right.
हो
Right.
सकती है आपके लिए,
Yeah.
बट
Yeah.
किसी को इमोशनली ट्रबल कर रही है कोई बात, तो इट्स लाइक यू
Yeah,
नीड दैट।
you need the those years to
करेक्ट,
listen
ट्रू,
कि this is what has bothered me, and I
ट्रू,
think वो time to time अगर हो जाए, रिलीज हो जाए, तो वो बिल्टअप नहीं
करेक्ट,
होता है, which is very important.
करेक्ट।
So as you said आपके घर पे आपको बहुत सपोर्ट था, तो वो but still it bothered you till
इट डिड
yeah yeah.
बिकॉज टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट, एंड मेरे इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स जो है, और जब
Hmm.
मैंने इस बारे में इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट किया,
Hmm.
इतने सारे लोगों का उस पे मुझे कमेंट्स आया,
Hmm.
बहुत सारों का प्राइवेट में मैसेज
Hmm.
Hmm. इनबॉक्स में आया, क्योंकि दे सेड कि हम लोग कंफर्टेबल नहीं है ये पोस्ट में कमेंट करना, बट थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस अप, मेरे साथ ये हुआ है।
Hmm.
एंड किसी किसी की स्टोरीज पढ़ के मुझे इतना खराब लगा कि यू नो हाउ कैन यू टॉक टू पीपल इन दिस मैनर,
Right. Right.
एंड हाउ हैव वी अलाउड दिस,
Right.
एंड इट्स अ स्मॉल थिंग, इट स्टार्ट्स विद चेकिंग वेट इन द स्कूल,
Right. Right.
एंड इफ
Yeah, at the same time, see, when you are in the school, they are kids, so even they are mentally in a way कि उनको समझ नहीं आता है,
करेक्ट,
but it's okay to teach somebody with that thing,
करेक्ट,
वो एक normalize किया गया है,
करेक्ट। नो,
that's why
एंड
they
द
are
थिंग
doing
इज
it.
व्हिच इज व्हाट आई सेड कि of course most of the educators I have had are brilliant,
Hmm.
but ऐसा सिचुएशन में जब भी अनाउंस करके वेट लिखते हैं
Hmm.
और बच्चे मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, इफ
Hmm.
वन टीचर टेल्स देम कि व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज रॉन्ग,
Wrong, that's important.
इट it makes so much of a difference.
Hmm.
You know, it's like I remember this. I had gone as an external examiner to one of the colleges for their vivas,
Hmm.
and of course the kids, they had to compulsorily present in English, and they had prepared really well. And all these kids are not native speakers of English. They are not from English medium, and they are not native speakers of I mean, none of us are native speakers of English for that matter. But
Hmm.
what I mean is, बचपन से उनको इंग्लिश बोलने की आदत नहीं है. But they had put a lot of effort, and they spoke, and then they told me in Marathi की मॅडम काहीतरी चूक झालं तर माफ करा. I said, then I replied to them in Marathi, and they were very happy. They said,
Hmm.
"Acha, you speak Marathi?" I said, "Yes, I speak Marathi."
Hmm.
And then, you know, when we did the question answer session, certain questions I was asking them in Marathi, and then I realized कि the knowledge levels
Hmm.
which they have is is insane. It's like they are so well read,
Hmm.
but because that pressure of wanting to present in English is so much that probably they couldn't, comfortably
Hmm.
express themselves.
Right.
And when that language barrier was out, when
Hmm.
they realized that they speak a common language with me,
Hmm.
they were very happy.
Right.
And then, you know, it's like, ultimately, uh, you need to make people
Hmm.
feel comfortable in your presence.
Right. Right.
That is important.
Very important.
At the same time, over a period of time, I've also realized that don't make it so comfortable that people walk over you. So maintaining a balance is
Is important.
very crucial.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
It's crucial. Yes. So now tell us about your teaching journey, as in since when you've been teaching, and what is your experience as a teacher in today's time, like when you have social media distractions, when you have so much influence of social media and over it, and your subject is of course marketing and
Yeah.
communication.
Communication, yes.
Right. So please talk about it.
So I've always wanted to be a teacher.
Okay.
I say, even when I used to take a break from homework at home,
Hmm.
I used to play teacher.
I think every
Everybody
child
has.
once they
Everybody
have,
has.
yeah, at
बहुत
least
scale
once.
तोड़े हैं मैंने जमीन पे मार मार के. Of course, I don't hit anybody, but that's what we saw, right? So,
Right.
I've always wanted to teach, and I also come from a family wherein there are a lot of teachers in my family.
Okay.
So, my first teaching job was immediately before even my graduation results came.
Hmm.
Like, I've been teaching since I was 2021, and it's been 15, 16 years now, and it's a beautiful journey. I think with every batch हमको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
Right.
I feel कि I learn more than what I teach.
Hmm.
And every student that I have taught, it's been a very beautiful experience because बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो बहुत डाइवर्स एक्सपीरियंसेस लेके अपने पास आते हैं. उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, उनका जो, इनफैक्ट मेनी ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स आर स्टिल इन टच विद मी. देव गॉन अब्रॉड, सम ऑफ देम आर मैरिड,
Hmm.
बट दे राइट बैक टू मी एंड दे टेल मी कि नहीं मैम, you know another thing which I have always done is, 2-3 places where I've taught, they insisted, no, you will teach in English
Hmm.
only. And ऐसा अगर कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है
Hmm.
जो अब हिंदी में समझाओगे तो बच्चा तुरंत समझ जाएगा,
Hmm.
फिर भी इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है.
Hmm.
I said, okay. And I used to teach it in Hindi. Ultimately, the child should understand. That is
Understand,
your
yeah,
primary goal. So these students, even when they've gone abroad, they'll write to me saying that, ma'am, ये आप आपके स्टाइल में समझा दोगे, and then I'll send them voice notes
Right.
because they're so used to listening to me.
Right.
So this voice note feature is great. I'll send them a voice note and they'll be like, thanks, ma'am, we understood.
And then that personal touch is also
Yeah,
there. Like
exactly.
yeah.
So it's, I've realized that as a teacher, you're always connected to your students, even if you might not be actively teaching them. It's really nice. And with each batch that I've taught, so many memories, so many beautiful incidents, so many different subjects that I've taught. And I feel आज के तारीख में social media को I've tried to leverage it and use it in a manner in which the student understands.
Right.
कि ये जो कॉमन रील्स तो बहुत सबको वही रील्स घूम फिर के वही रील्स आते हैं सबको. तो कोई सिचुएशन में कुछ ऐसा एक फनी रील याद आ गया तो आई विल यूज दैट एज एन एग्जांपल. द पॉइंट इज अ चाइल्ड विल नॉट फॉरगेट.
Right.
So, it's not a bad thing, social media. That's what I've said. That, like, you and I wouldn't have met if not for social media. So
Absolutely.
I have healthy respect for the connections that social media helps you make,
Yes,
and the
yes.
kind of examples I'm able to bring back to my class and teach them.
Hmm.
So that is of course very very beneficial, and
Yeah.
I mean, I think this is something I want to continue doing for the rest of my life. I really enjoy it
Yeah.
uh, because it helps you stay fresh and young in your mind, because continuously कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
Right.
And I've realized कि, I mean, although I've taught younger kids in the sense 13, 14
Hmm.
plus, small children I can't teach. In fact, when I go to my daughter's school, or when I see these young cute children, I'm like, कैसे पढ़ाते हो यार इनको? मुझसे तो नहीं होगा. I will only play with them, So I
Hmm.
feel pre-primary and primary teachers के लिए मंदिर बांधोगे तो वो भी कम है.
I
For,
know, for a
for
lot
how
of
beautifully they
patience.
groom and the patience that they have.
Right.
बट ये 18 to 21 year olds को पढ़ाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, because I feel कि I don't have to think before I talk.
Right.
It's an age group that, अगर there is a specific topic जो घर पे discuss नहीं हुआ है,
Hmm.
even then I can discuss it in class with them. So
Hmm.
I like teaching that age group.
Hmm.
I mean, they're also, equal amount of experiences and, real life stories that they have to share. So I think I really enjoy teaching that age group.
Nice. Okay, that's nice. So I just heard that you're also a student.
Yes.
Yes, and how did you decide to be a student, and what inspired you to take up the course that you are doing? Please tell us about
So
it.
I've always wanted to do my PhD
Yeah.
ever since I've been, I used to be fascinated by the doctor before the name. And I used to ask people, अच्छा ये पढ़ाई वाला है डॉक्टर कि दवाई वाला डॉक्टर है? In my limited understanding, they say नहीं पढ़ाई वाले doctors हैं. And I said, okay, what is this?
Uh,
So I used to be very fascinated by that. So although I think most of the people I know who start out doing PhDs for the title,
right.
but the larger picture that we all seek is ki what are you contributing to society? What
Hmm.
are you adding to the field of knowledge?
Hmm.
And when you research and you add that to the body of knowledge that there is already, क्योंकि
Hmm.
आप कुछ नया डिस्कवर नहीं कर रहे हो, knowledge is there all around you.
It's already there.
That's why it's called research, because it's already there.
You are rediscovering the
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And आप अपना interpretation, you're putting it forward, and I think it's just very interesting to study. I mean, I've recently embarked on this journey, so of course it's a long rigorous journey ahead, and I'm looking forward to it because I've always liked studying.
Hmm.
अगर जब मैं पढ़ाई कर रही होती हूँ तो मैं बहुत कंप्लेन करती हूँ, बहुत कृप करती हूँ.
Uh,
बट मुझे पसंद है. I've realized कि you know it keeps your brain active.
right.
It
Right.
motivates you to think. It motivates you कि अब क्या कर सकते हैं with your life. And I think
Right.
to keep that, because
Hmm.
my inspiration are my grandparents,
Hmm.
and I've seen them कुछ ना कुछ, भले ही, it'll be songs, it'll be shlokas, it'll be spiritual religious texts, but कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखते रहते हैं. Like my
Hmm.
grandmother, she's 80,
Hmm.
and she's stitched all our clothes ever since we've been kids. And even now, my daughter and my sister had a baby 2 months back. So her clothes also she stitches, and she's always looking up videos on YouTube how
Oh,
to stitch this pattern.
how
So
interesting.
my thing is they're constantly learning something, and that
Hmm.
is my inspiration.
Inspiration.
कि
Yeah.
ब्रेन और बॉडी को एक्टिव रखने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ अगर हम सीखते रहेंगे,
Right.
if we keep ourselves active,
Yeah.
it is very enriching.
Right.
So that is why I started on this journey. So it's I am looking forward to what lies ahead, because of course, God willing, the doctor tag will come.
I'm sure. I'm
But
sure.
I'm also excited to see what I am able to add to the body of knowledge that there is
Right.
through my research.
Right. Right.
So yeah, so excited for what is in store.
Right. Oh, how nice. How is it different than your education time when you studied your graduation or
Yeah.
what? And now you're studying at this age when you are, I'm sure you're attending classes with
Yeah,
uh,
yeah, yeah.
the teenagers or whatever.
Yeah. No,
No,
so
sorry, the PhD happens
PhD, yeah, yeah,
after
yeah,
20s. So
yeah, yeah.
maybe much
Yeah, of
younger
course, my batch
generation.
people are, I mean, most of them are younger.
Hmm.
But of course, there are a lot of people who are also older than me, which
Okay,
I've realized. So
okay,
it's a healthy balance.
okay.
Um, so, हर एक बैचमेट से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. But the only thing I struggle with is sitting for long hours.
Right.
That I am not used to. I find it very difficult to sit in one place for too long.
I know.
But it's very interesting to study completely different aspects of एजुकेशन लाइक अभी मैथ्स एंड स्टैट्स को तो मैंने एफ बी कॉम के बाद टाटा बाय बाय कर दिया था, बट अभी वापस से स्टैट्स की पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ. तो लास्ट वीक ऑल्सो आई वॉज कंप्लेनिंग सेइंग दैट नहीं कैसे होगा मुझसे एंड ऑल दैट. आई वॉज गुड एट मैथ्स टिल दे पुट द अल्फाबेट इनटू इट. उसके बाद से तो इट्स बीन अ, बट देन आई रियलाइज कि यू नो अभी भी ब्रेन फैकल्टीज इंटैक्ट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लर्निंग समथिंग. तो
Right.
I think that is what it is, right? I mean, with your body also, like you might eat nonsense and not take care of it for so long, but एक 10 दिन ख्याल रखो,
You do it
immediately
right,
it will
you
fall in
see that
place.
is, yeah.
So which is beautiful. The same thing with my education also. So कुछ ना कुछ I've been studying. I did my B.Ed 10 years back, then I did my MA in education. उसके पहले I'd done my MCom. तो I like studying and finding out कि चलो इसमें क्या सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड तो इसके लिए भी मतलब फॉर माय पीएचडी आल्सो आई वेंट विद दैट इंटेंशन. सो इट्स अ नाइस बैलेंस टू यू नो study with and since it's a PhD, there are people from different streams and different backgrounds,
Right.
different corporate experiences.
Right.
So it's a healthy atmosphere to be in.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Swati, you've been a fantastic singer. So, again, singing, uh, have you been learning since your childhood और क्या है इसके बारे में बताइए कि
I've been learning ever since I was 7 years old.
Okay.
I mean, I'm continuing to learn Carnatic classical music, but I mean, of course, music is something, one of my most integral parts of my childhood is that I have always woken up to music playing in the house. Always. And सुबह को थोड़ा सा Vishnu Sahasranamam or some kind of divine music we listen to. Then of course it's been radio, and it's been you know right from Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar to Arijit Singh. Constantly there is some music or the other that I have always heard. So it's a very, in fact, even with my when my mom and my uncles were growing up, बाकी सबके घर पे केबल वेबल काट देंगे, रेडियो बंद कर दिया. हमारे यहाँ माय ग्रैंडमदर वाज वेरी क्लियर कि ये सब चलता रहेगा, इसमें पढ़ाई कर सकते तो करो, अदरवाइज इट्स ओके.
It's okay.
Because you cannot cut out everything from your life and then say कि no, I will now study. It doesn't work like that. You have to learn to work in in tandem with everything that is happening around you.
Yes.
So Carnatic classical music, ever since I was 7, I've been learning. And of course last few years में थोड़ा सा staggered हो गया था, but now I've resumed learning for the last 1 year again, and it's then again it's a very enjoyable process because कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं, कुछ
आपने कुछ collaborations किए हैं.
yes, I've collaborated with a few musicians.
Right.
And it's very interesting to see how their training and हर एक like Hindustani में जैसे घराना, and in
Carnatic.
Carnatic music, it is different schools of thought that have come together into making music so beautiful. And I think India is the only country where there are two classical musical forms that are so prominent, like Carnatic and Hindustani. So it's just beautiful. There again, so much to learn, so much to imbibe.
Right.
So currently I'm learning from the Trichur Brothers online music school. They are very, very prominent Carnatic musicians, and their team of teachers are also amazing. So I like I always feel ki when I have a very high benchmark, I feel ki nahi, I can't let them down. तो that motivates me to do better.
Right, right,
So everyday efforts, I mean, but we are all trying our best.
right,
So
right.
that is, yeah.
Oh my God, so many feathers in your cap. What's next for Swati?
What is next for me? Yes, of course, this PhD journey is something which I am very excited about. And there are also some interesting travel work I've done in collaboration with,
Yeah, recently I've come
yeah, with,
across your reels where you're exploring temples
yeah. So
and
with Incredible India, I had the privilege of visiting Arunachal Pradesh
hmm,
in April, May,
hmm,
and there's so much beauty around us. It's unreal कि एक जगह इतनी सुंदर हो सकती है, and it is 2 hours away, 3 hours away from where we are.
right.
So I feel that, and I was very excited because my daughter had not seen snow.
Hmm.
So we were very, because in the month of May, where we were roaming around wearing thermals and sweaters and shawls because it was snowing there.
Snowing there.
And so there are a lot of monasteries I went to. There are temples I went to. So it's, I mean, personally, I love visiting temples.
Hmm.
It's a very grounding experience for me. I also feel that, there's so much peace in each of these. And um, I'm also a fan of Indian history. So Indian temples में इतना बारीकी का काम है. It is, and to think that our ancestors have been so intelligent कि
This is
एक, हाँ,
unbelievable
इन
work.
लोग, so this तंजावुर में there is this Brihadishwara temple.
Hmm.
वहाँ पे they had apparently constructed a 6 kilometer ramp to take the gopuram up to fit it on the top of the temple. There is
Wow.
no, it's a one single stone.
Wow.
ऐसे कितने सारे टेम्पल्स हैं इंडिया में कि, एंड हर एक टेम्पल की एक स्टोरी है, हर एक, आई मीन इट्स ब्यूटिफुल.
The way they, the architecture, the artisans were, हर
या
detailing अगर आप देखोगे हर एक टेम्पल के ऊपर जो
या
स्टोन carvings हुए
या
especially.
करेक्ट.
Uh,
एंड दे, many of them were built, I mean,
yeah, at that
and
point of time when they didn't
then
have the
they didn't
formal
have anything.
education.
Exactly. No, not just education, also resources and all of that. So
Hmm.
it's just crazy the kind of facilities and thing that we have now. And I'm like, हम किस बात का wait कर रहे हैं.
स्वाति, मैंने आपको हमेशा एवरी स्पेशल ओकेजन पे साड़ी में देखा है. I can clearly see your love for saris. So, which is your most favorite weave?
I think I love Kanjivarams the most because I think that's what I've seen
Seen,
and worn
grown.
more of. But other than Kanjivarams, Paithanis and Patolas,
Yeah.
these two are weaves I really love. I think I like the way they drape. I like the way the sari looks when worn. तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि I think बचपन से I've seen all the women in my family in such beautiful saris
Yeah.
कि कभी इसीलिए कोई मुझे पूछ लेगा ना कि ये कोई ग्रैंड, आई डोंट हैव एनी ग्रैंड सलवार कमीज,
Yeah.
क्योंकि जहाँ पे ग्रैंड सलवार कमीज पहनना होता है मैं साड़ी पहन लेती हूँ.
Simple sari पहन लो.
एग्जैक्टली
It
एग्जैक्टली.
just
तो इट्स आई थिंक एवरीडे से लेके, एंड इतना वर्सेटाइल गारमेंट है कि यू चेंज द ब्लाउज, यू चेंज द एक्सेसरीज, द सेम साड़ी ट्रांसफॉर्म्स.
absolutely transforms the
या
look. Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
राइट
I
फ्रॉम
totally agree with
मॉर्निंग
you.
फंक्शन है, इवनिंग फंक्शन है, कॉकटेल पार्टी है, कुछ भी है, इट्स लाइक यू कैन
Change your blouse and
change
accessories and
exactly
jewelry
and
and
complete,
just
it
transforms.
transforms. And there are also
Totally.
so many beautiful experiments people are doing with the drapes.
राइट. आपका फेवरेट क्या स्टाइल है? आप एक ही साड़ी को जैसे हम अलग अलग स्टाइल से पहन सकते हैं. अगर आप टेम्पल जा रहे हो सिंपल अपना मैचिंग ब्लाउज
Correct.
पहन लो, बट व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट स्टाइल?
Actually I barely match
हम्म.
the sari to my blouse
ओके.
क्योंकि the story is, people used to ask me, what do you think कि ये साड़ी पे ये ब्लाउज, ऐसे ए मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ.
हम्म.
दूसरा, कभी कभी मैं इतनी लास्ट मिनट पर्सन हूँ
हाँ.
कि सुबह में जल्दबाजी में चलो ये साड़ी पहनना है, ये ब्लाउज अच्छा लगेगा एंड पहन लिया। तो इट्स लाइक इतना मैं प्लान नहीं करती।
सेम हियर, फर्स्ट आई पुल आउट माय ब्लाउज एंड देन डिसाइड कि इसके साथ मैं कौन सी साड़ी
करेक्ट,
पहनूंगी,
करेक्ट,
सो
करेक्ट।
इट जस्ट
तो इट्स लाइक जो मिला वो। बट ऑफ कोर्स लाइक फॉर सम साड़ीज़ लाइक दिस इन पर्टिकुलर आई वांटेड टू,
हैव द
क्योंकि
मैचिंग ब्लाउज।
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं इस पे और कुछ
एक
अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
राइट, और उसका एक अलग ही ब्यूटी है
करेक्ट,
टू हैव अ
दैट
सिमिलर मैचिंग
मोनोक्रोम,
ब्लाउज,
येस
मोनोक्रोम
एग्ज़ैक्टली,
लुक। तो ऑफ कोर्स यू कांट कंपेयर दिस विद
करेक्ट,
दैट। बट एक जो ड्रेपिंग स्टाइल होती है, जैसे बंगाली होता है, मारवाड़ी स्टाइल होता है, एक ट्रेडिशनल वे होता है, या अभी आजकल तो बहुत ज़्यादा विद
या
बेल्ट्स, विथ योर जैकेट्स, विथ
करेक्ट,
योर बूट्स, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहे हैं, यू नो, द काष्टा स्टाइल, द
राइट।
धोती स्टाइल, विच इज़ योर फेवरेट
So
स्टाइल?
other than the regular draping style, I like the dhoti style a lot. In
राइट,
fact, last year, exactly last year actually, I was invited to run the Standard Chartered Singapore Marathon,
ओके,
and I ran that in a sari.
वाओ,
So 21 kilometers I ran. It was a dhoti style drape because it's like pants, no?
राइट,
So it was very comfortable. And uh, 21 kilometers run किया और इतना मजा आया कि actually that is also interesting. It started out because initially, social media पे many of my followers, they live in smaller towns या वहाँ से they used to message saying that कि शॉर्ट्स या ट्रैक पैंट पहन के बाहर जाने में कंफर्ट नहीं है। तो आई सेड तो जो कंफर्टेबल है वो पहनो। ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ट्रैक पैंट ही पहनना है या यू नो शॉर्ट्स पहन के ही एक्सरसाइज करनी है। एंड आई सेड देन आई टोल्ड माय सेल्फ कि बोलने से नहीं चलेगा। आई हैव टू शो इट कि नहीं
राइट,
कर सकते हैं।
राइट,
सो देन आई जस्ट रैन 5 किलोमीटर सारी में रन किया, मज़ा आया। उसके बाद रेगुलरली आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस बिकॉज़ आई सेड कि uh, instead of telling people, I
हुँ,
should actually walk the talk
राइट,
and show them that
राइट,
you can, do this in a sari.
राइट,
And so in Singapore last year, they asked me if I can run in a sari. I said, why not?
ऑफ कोर्स,
And there are a lot of Indian origin
हुँ,
people who live in, I
सिंगापुर,
mean, people from the Indian diaspora who live there. And सबको इतने सारे लोगों ने मुझे रास्ते में अप्रिशिएट किया, सेइंग कि ये देख के अच्छा लग रहा है कि एंड मेरा तो आई एम वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट कि सारी को ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म में अगर प्रमोट करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले
नेवर
तो
मिस इट।
नेवर मिस अ चांस। नेवर
या,
मिस अ चांस बिकॉज
या,
इतना कुछ है। एंड हम लोग व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्रमोटिंग इंडिया टू द वर्ल्ड, व्हाट
राइट,
बेटर देन अ साड़ी टू डू दैट
आई एग्री,
बिकॉज आई थिंक हमारे जो वीवर्स के क्राफ्ट्समैनशिप है, इतनी जितना बोलो उतना कम है कि
बिल्कुल,
एंड
इट्स
इट्स ऑल्सो कि किसी की मेहनत है ये। इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ गारमेंट, इट्स
राइट,
समबडीज एफर्ट, आवर्स
एफर्ट,
ऑफ लेबर एंड
एब्सोल्युटली,
labor of love that you're wearing. So it is,
आई टोटली
I
एग्री।
really value it dearly.
And the amazing skill, you know, नो डाउट देर इज अ डेडिकेशन, डिटर्मिनेशन दैट ये सारी स्टार्ट किया है वो
Correct.
खत्म करना है, बट द काइंड ऑफ स्किल दे नीड टू,
Yeah,
यू नो, हैंडल दीज मेनी थ्रेड्स टुगेदर,
correct,
यू नो, कि एक भी गलत डाला धागा तो डिजाइन गया,
correct.
सो मेनी वीव्स आर सो इंट्रिकेट कि
Yeah.
दे कांट अफोर्ड टू जस्ट मिस आल्सो अ
I
सिंगल
went to
थ्रेड।
Patan 2 years
राइट,
back,
या,
and वहाँ पे that's what they were saying कि two weavers simultaneously sit and weave geometrical patterns.
राइट,
तो एक ने भी गलती की,
एंड दैट टू टाइड एंड डाइड बिफोर दे
yeah,
स्टार्ट द
yeah,
वीविंग
yeah.
प्रोसेस।
So one mistake is going to cost them dearly. In fact, in Patan, and of Rani Ki Vav,
राइट,
वहाँ पर वो वॉल्स पे 1000 years पहले वो इक्कत के पैटर्न्स
पैटर्न्स,
उन्होंने स्टोन में कार्व किए हैं। इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग कि इतना कुछ है हमारे कंट्री में टू शोकेस एंड हाउ दे हैव इम्बाइब्ड इट इनटू द साड़ी।
राइट,
It's just it's a miracle, it's like, and it's right in front of your eyes, it's
राइट,
accessible, it is available.
अवेलेबल,
So yeah, that is something I've really respected and loved.
right, right. So, going forward now, if you really want to inspire the younger generation, now I can see कि जिस तरह से हम उसको एक मॉडर्नाइज कर रहे हैं साड़ी को, या जितना कूल क्वेश्चन उसमें ला रहे हैं, नाउ यू बीइंग अ टीचर, do you think there are ways to inspire the young generation to drape sari more often?
No, I think nowadays there is still a lot of interest because वो इवन इफ इट इज टू डू कि चलो आज साड़ी पहन लिया तो मैं सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट कर सकती हूँ, अगर उस इरादे से भी कोई कर रहा है तो इट इज
Right.
ग्रेट,
Right.
you know.
Yeah.
Because it's nice to see कि more people are choosing their, you know, traditional Indian uh, weaves अगर
Right.
कोई special occasion हो, because growing up it was कि स्कूल में फेयरवेल के दिन, कॉलेज में साड़ी डे के दिन पहन लिया,
That's it.
it was just that. But nowadays when I'm teaching,
Hmm.
I'm seeing a lot of people wearing saris
Right.
for, you know, कॉलेज का फेस्ट है, चलो
Hmm.
साड़ी पहन लिया.
Hmm.
ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉमन ओकेजन्स में they've worn saris. This is something which I'm seeing very commonly now, and
Hmm.
it's really nice. I mean, and you know, कोई अगर मुझे पूछता है कि comfortable कैसे होना है, I said by wearing it more often. There is no other way. The only way to get more comfortable is to wear it
Right.
regularly and wear it more often, you know.
Right. 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 So, Swati, now you are a teacher. You are an athlete. I
Yeah.
can say that. You're also a student. Um, you are a content creator. You're a singer. So, with all these feathers in your cap, what is like your most favorite? Like, what is that is more closer to your heart?
I think the
Which
most,
role?
I think the most important and the most beautiful role that I play is of being a mother. I think that is my favorite. Um, उसके अलावा, I mean, I think it's very difficult to pick one because I feel कि even if I might not be great at anything I do, but I try to do it with full sincerity. That
Hmm.
is something which I try to bring even to my content, कि जो मैं लिखती हूँ या जो
Hmm.
मैं फोटोज पोस्ट करती हूँ, आई ट्राई टू कीप इट रियल एवरीवेयर,
Hmm.
ऑन एंड ऑफ
Hmm.
social media. So I think it's very difficult other than, you know, to say that I love being a mother the most. उसके अलावा it's very difficult to pick one particular aspect,
Right.
but you know, it's just they're all very very, एक को भी निकाल दो तो I'll feel कुछ अधूरा रह गया है, तो
Yeah.
it's all very dear to me.
Yeah. So, as you said, that your most favorite role is being a mother. In today's time, where we have so many again distractions,
Yeah,
the time is changing. You know, the social norms have changed
correct,
so much than what
correct.
it was earlier at our times. So, how are you dealing with your daughter? Which she's a teenager, right?
Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
She's 11 and a half.
Yeah. So, how are you dealing with it, and what you think? Please share your experiences. Like, what are you? How are you choosing to be with her? Like,
So, I mean, uh, I'm grateful to have the privilege of being able to spend a lot of time with her during the day. I mean,
hmm,
even the profession I am in, I'm back home before she comes home from school. तो वो एक advantage है which I really value.
hmm,
And I feel, you know, and she is my biggest support system. I feel it's very easy parenting somebody like her because she's very contented, and there's so much I learn from her.
hmm,
क्योंकि and हर बार, you know, I think our children are our biggest pillars. You know, it's like कुछ छोटा सा भी कर दो, they are so happy, they're so grateful, they're like, oh thank you amma, I love you.
mhm,
And you know, it's you feel ki you don't need to do anything big, you know,
hmm.
just, you know, by being available and by being kind and being appreciative of their efforts, that's all that they need from you.
Right.
So I think I've tried to do that. Again, there also it's an everyday effort.
Hmm.
Of course, you know, गलतियां हो जाती है, मिस्टेक्स कर लेते हैं, कभी
Yeah,
कुछ
that's a
रह
part
गया,
and
या
parcel of
बट
growing.
it is, you know, I try to keep it fun.
Hmm.
I mean, I've not put in any extra effort to you know. And one thing which one parenting advice that has worked beautifully for me, which I can happily share, is do not do things because other parents are doing it.
Right. It's so true.
because there's so much pressure कि till my daughter turned 7, I didn't put her in any class. ऐसा मन किया लेके गया क्लास में वापस आ गए वो अलग बात है बट नॉट वन क्लास एंड यू नो अदर पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू नहीं एक भी क्लास में नहीं भेजा बच्चे को ये आई सेड शी विल टेल मी व्हाट शी वांट्स टू डू I don't want to pressure her. So even if like the classes that she goes to now, she does taekwondo and she does a bit of music. Both of this she has chosen and told me I want to do it.
Right.
So I think उस वजह से she's also doing it because it has come out of her genuine interest
Right.
and it's also something she enjoys doing. तो because इतना कुछ and there are children who are incredible at it. ऐसा some parents have told me कि नहीं if you don't expose your child to it, how will they know? But while that is true, but sometimes not all children enjoy it. So it's like I see that in some children and sometimes like नहीं मजा नहीं आ रहा है. So this advice that worked very well for me is this. My mother said this to me when my daughter was newborn. She said, take life per day basis. आज का हो गया. Tomorrow we start afresh. कि अरे कल ऐसा कर दिया. Of course, we will plan in a way कि we do not अगर कुछ mistake हो गया तो we will seal the holes. We will not do that again.
Yeah.
But so taking life per day basis and not getting influenced or bogged down
By others.
by parenting groups.
I know.
By I'm not on any WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
I mean, school ka bhi, I will see if there is something that is important. Fortunately, my daughter is also in a school wherein it's like they're chill. ये नहीं किया वो नहीं किया वो करो ये करो नहीं है. So it works very well for me because I think that is something which was very important for me. कि
Right.
academics is not the only learning that you will have in life.
That's just one part of schooling.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's
In
so
fact,
much
like in my daughter's school for computers, they are teaching them how to make a grocery list on Excel. इतना जरूरी है, इतना simple है. But it is so useful in everyday life.
Right.
कि grocery list is an example. Tomorrow you put out expenses. But it's such a simple lesson, but it's so useful in everyday life.
Right.
So it's nice to see schools doing that these days.
Right.
And I think that is what it is. If you're keeping your child well fed and safe, you're privileged. I think that is what is the only thing I have taken away from the entire process.
Right. In today's time, now that we are so active socially and otherwise, you have connected with so many women through social media.
Yeah.
And where you are like in a position of content creator or an influencer or so many roles that you are playing. So just share a few or the most memorable memory through the social media or the way you connected with somebody, because of the social media or because who you are today. So
So actually, the most, like I said, like I met you. I say I have met many people who I deeply respect and value. I value their presence in my life because I think they also shared the honesty with which I, interacted with them. I think that's very crucial because, I mean, we'll talk about keep it real, but how real are you in your everyday relationships is what is important.
right.
So every person I have met through social media who is, in some way wherein, and mere case mein, if I genuinely appreciated a connection, I try to take the relation off social media and maintain, and interact with them off social media.
Right.
Because I think that is, when you genuinely value somebody, if you can interact with them and, share things outside of it, I think that is what is very
True.
important for me. So I deeply value the connections and interactions I have had, all of them.
Right.
Be it, be it the brands I have worked with, be it the people I've met, even you know, even today, sometimes I'll get messages from people saying that, see, this is my watch ka photo. I have done this exercise today,
Hmm.
inspired by you, makes me very happy. I'm like, even if one person is taking time out for
Right,
themselves,
right,
it's so crucial. Because, like, you were telling me sometime back, we are our kids' biggest role models.
right,
And by um, showing them how it's done,
right.
is how we will inspire. So when I get such messages from people saying that I worked out today, I took time out for myself today,
Hmm.
you know, um, it gives me a lot of joy.
So, tell us about your association with Apple.
Apple is something which has been a part of my life since I think 2006, 2007 now. I'm uh, a very pro Apple user, and it is interesting how I could, get a chance to be on board to speak about how useful the phone and the watch is in my everyday life.
Life.
And these are products I've been using over the years
Hmm.
because I feel, the convenience that it gives to you. Like, I don't need to be a photographer in the real sense. You know what I'm saying? It's like, but with this phone that I have, the kind of everyday details, everyday moments I'm able to capture, ultimately that is what it is
Right.
for me. And I feel, I always talk about Apple and say that the shutter speed and the speed of your products matches how fast my brain is processing things. So it's very nice. So, I mean, even now in my student life and even as a teacher, I've always used Apple products to my advantage because there's so much you can do.
Right.
And I
So
also love the
advanced, yeah.
ecosystem ki, laptop pe kuch hai, it is auto saving it on my iPad, it is
Right.
auto saving it on my phone. So I am having access to my data
Data.
wherever I go.
Yeah.
So it is it's just beautiful. And
Yes.
the manner in which they innovate
Right.
and they come out with newer products that are, helping
Hmm.
everyday activities get easier.
right.
It's incredible.
Thank you so much, Swati, today being with us on Be You with Shraddha S. It was really inspiring, insightful conversation. I have had so much fun and I thoroughly enjoyed the conversation.
Thank you so much.
And what a lovely time was with you. And thank you so much.
Thank you
so
so much for having me, for inviting me to do this, because
Pleasure.
it is it's always nice to sit and chat with friends on everyday
Right.
aspects of life. And thank you for being such a beautiful listener and for for this lovely conversation that we have had. I mean, I'm as inspired by you as with all that you do. So thank you so much.
Oh, it's a pleasure. I'm sure our viewers are so inspired. The way Swati is inspired by, the women, how she started her running journey or, fitness journey. You have inspired so many people. So please write your comments and do let us know what you feel about the kind of roles that she's playing and your thoughts on it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for listening to our conversation on Be You with Shraddha S. I hope you have a great time listening to our conversation as much as we had sitting and chatting here. Please let us know in your comments what you liked about our conversation, and please follow and subscribe to the social media handles. Thank you.